Hi again. As promised, we're going to do the Australian desert sunset. I'm using a 60 by 90 centimetre double thick stretch canvas board. At the moment I also put some sand on it when I gessoed it, and I found this actually quite hard because the paints and the fluids just absorb it and you can't get any real fluid flow with it. But anyway, we'll crack on and see how we go. I'm just at this stage putting some undercolour paint on there. First layer I did was I think it's a blue and a burnt umber and I think it was a phthalo blue. But anyway, it wasn't dark enough, so I darkened it a bit more. I put more dark burnt umber in and I mixed it with a Prussian blue. I'm now putting on some Acrylic interactive paint. It's in a transparent orange, and also same paint but in cadmium yellow. Just moving it around with a window washer to mix it and spread it. As you can see, it's not spreading really well, and that's because of the sand underneath. It's just given it a really rough surface, and it's also absorbing the paint. So cracking on, we'll just mix it, put a bit of water on it, see if we can get it to flow a bit more. Spray some water. Sorry about that, my dog decided he'd start barking after we started recording, so anyway, we'll crack on. He's stopped now. I'm now going to use a brush. I think it's a 2-inch brush that I've just dipped in clean water to help the paint to blend together. So just a watered brush and just blend the paint, but don't over blend it, because you still want areas of the dark that you've got underneath to be showing through. Also, make sure that you dry each layer before you put the next one on top. So I did the first layer, the blues and browns, in one day, and this is the second day that I'm doing the top layer. I'm now using a gold acrylic paint. Any brand will do. This is just a cheap brand that I've got here. And I'm just putting a layer over the top where the sky is going to go. Now we've dried that layer, I put the painting up on my easel for more ease as we're painting the sky. So again, we've just waited till it's completely dry, and I'm just putting some white on again for different depth. Now I'm using, actually it's a sorry about that, dog again. Now I'm using a Solid Solutions acrylic paint, and it's in a midnight blue. I'm just painting the dark sky, the clouds and the night coming in. Also, you might have noticed we've got some yellow and orange paint at the bottom of the sky. Unfortunately, I didn't record that bit, but it was just a matter, excuse me, of putting the yellow and the orange on that line before the blue. We'll still be working with that area. I just wanted to clarify that in case you noticed. Right, next day, and we're going to do some finger painting. What we're going to do is create the sky, the different colours, and I've actually, again, my camera stopped working, but all I've done is actually rub some orange and some yellow into the sky area very lightly with a wet finger, and now I'm working on the sunset part, which is a bit denser. Just moving, blending it with my fingers and stepping back and looking where the light's going. I've got also a damp paper towel that I'm smoothing it out with. Again, having problems with the sand, which normally it would just flow beautifully smooth. I use various mediums, impastos and other kinds of materials, but this is the first time I've actually put beach sand straight onto the canvas, and I don't think I'll be doing that again, except if I'm doing a beach scene and I use it on the sand itself. And then that's usually accompanied by resin, so I don't have the problem. The resin smooths it out. I just want to mention that I did a couple of layers of glazing in between my painting. I did a yellow with the cad yellow, binder medium and lots of water. And then I did also when that dried, I did a one with the orange, again binder medium and water, but very thin, so it just gives some depth, particularly to the sky. But definitely let it dry in between, and you don't want to muddy your painting up, so make sure if you're going to glaze it, make sure it's dry before the next layer goes on. I'm just finishing with some burnt sienna on a dry brush on the horizon line. But yeah, just about done now. I'll give it a couple of weeks and then I'll give it a good varnish. And it will be ready to sell. They actually sell very well, these sunsets. I've sold quite a few. They're all different, of course. I've done landscapes as well as portrait versions. But they are, and watercolour, but they are a good seller, and they're fairly easy to do. It's just a matter of doing your layers and letting it dry. Anyway, thanks for visiting me, and if you like what you saw, please put a like on there and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.